us, the family and the grandkids. Today I'll be speaking in English. I'm not sure where I should start. I didn't think I'd have to do this, but here I am. Our grandfather, Robert Rev Cunville, is, or was, always the light on earth that God had set him out to be. From his youth as a dashing young boy who was a loving son, brother, and friend to all, to his days as a scholar while balancing his PhD in America, amidst also being a husband, father, and a growing evangelist with the Billy Graham Evangelistic Association. He always stayed true to himself and his mission here on earth. God put the brightest spark in him, and it was, or to me, still is, what continues to shine through his legacy today and always. To many in this town and around the globe, he was known as Pastor Cunville. But to us, my sisters, brother, to our family, he was our superhero, our Baba, who loved us beyond measure, who would take on the weight of the world to help us move from place to place, and he would give up everything at an instance to help us do anything, be it.
Tupan kentang yagi donut jongi. Tupan kentang yaga negapor. Tupan kentang yaga jing syakri barok away. Dau mensim jame. Ngi IT lade. Ngi syak ngau baru. Aga jing yalam ka babet. Bat ka kentang ka jong me aplay. Ngi duai ya me aplay. Ministai ban kerku bat yalam jengi. Nadu moderator bat kinong yashim banta baro. Bat ka jing syakri ka bangidon man pendem. Ngi duai ya me aplay. Ministai ban kerku ya ka kurim usyakri jome. Ya ki khun ki ksiew jongu. Ya ki himen ki para jongu. Ya ka ying ka sem jongu. Bat baro ki badon ka jingidai. Kerku ya laga jong ka balang. Haga bau syakri jome udon. Kerku ko try bi ya laga jong ka sinot. Haga bau syakri jome udon. Badu ai ka jing syakri. Kerku ko try bi ya gitu baro ki bau syakri jome udon ka jingidai. Udon ka benta. Haga jingim haga jing syakri. Bad haga jing try kam. Ablay bi haga naga janmet jong naga sengi. Ngile buram ya ka met ka basau syakri jome. Ida duai ya me ablay. Sya bagajing don jome. Badu mensem jome unya lambe jengi. Bad barok ka bangidon ban pendep. Naga pendapat pendon buram yu syakri jome. Kan long ka buram ya me ublay. Haki bajrong tamhe. Ablay bi ublay bi snei. Haga kti jome ngi IT no. Haga bor jome ngi syak ngubha. Try shim ya ka bor. Lam yangi. Lembaga naga jing syakri. Bad ke jing syakri ki basa. Namar ngi duai ya me daga jing aingu. Namaru syakri jome. Bad ka jing don jome lembat u. Lembag ki peus nem baro. Ya ke bola ai ya ka jing syakri ya me. Haki benta baper.